Hello guys, welcome back to another trading video. In today's video I'll be trading again, and of course I'll be showing you another great strategy again on today's episode. All right, so in the last video I actually show you how to enter a trade, and I enter some couple of trade that you guys see, but over there I want to recap on it again. All right, that video we talked about how to actually identify some candlesticks, all right, which we did on our last video. We actually indicate how to actually confirm when a candle is actually green, we call it a bullish candle, and when we have it on a red, we call it a bearish candle. We also talked about the morning star and the evening star, and we actually indicate that when you see a form like this, when you see a green candle and we find a doji in between them and you see a red candle, we actually refer to it as a morning star. All right, but in the evening star, when you see a red candle to start off, like when you see a bearish candle as a starting up, just like, okay, let me find a position so that I can show you practically. Okay, I think let me actually use this. Okay guys, okay, this is a good perfect position. As you can see over here, when you say that the first candle is actually red, you find a doji in between them, and what's it called, you have a green candle, we actually refer to it as a morning star. All right, as a morning star. But when you first say that the candle is actually green followed by a doji, and of course you find bearish candle at the end of it, we actually refer to that as an evening star. So that's pretty much what we talked about yesterday. I'm on our last video, sorry. And on today's video, we're definitely going to take another trade, and of course it's definitely going to be based on the trend, but this time around we're going to add up an indicator. All right, I actually mentioned that on my last video. I'm going to add up an indicator, how to actually trade with technical analysis. So right now I'm going to put up one indicator that we'll be trading on with today. So over here, just come on the indicator part, right? So you can click. So when you click here, you're going to click on technicals. All right, so when you come over here, we can actually type the moving average here, because that's the indicator we'll be using. So just type the moving, and you can choose this part one here, moving average. So click that and we're good. So these are moving average that we'll be using, but we need to do some setting on this. So over here we can find our moving average here. Just click on the setting icon here. So we're definitely going to let the input to stay the same. The input definitely going to be a default setting. So over here we're going to change the color to be in yellow. All right, so we can actually go ahead and take the line a little bit. So that's pretty much all we need to do here. Yeah, that's pretty much all we need to do. So when you're done, you hit save. As you can see, our moving average has been changed, and we have a ticker color. A ticker lines, right? So right now I'm going to be actually showing you how to actually use this moving average alongside with the strategy we used last week, which is about morning star and evening star, and how to actually enter a trade when you find a moment with them. All right, so right now I'll be actually going through to find a moment with the currency pairs. So when I get that moment, I'll come back, I'll show you, and of course I'm going to take a trade and see how to actually use it. Okay guys, a very good moment here. I actually find a good moment to actually trade on today. So let me zoom it so that I can explain. So the number one thing over here, as you can see, we have right there a very good position. We have right there we have our evening star right here. So this is a very good position. As you can see, we have our bullish candle, and in the middle there we have a very good doji candle, and of course we have a bearish candle. But over here the confirmation is all about trending with moving average. As you can see, our moving average has been coming right from this point, has been going up in the trend, but when it gets to this particular candle right here, that actually break a little bit trend down, you see that our moving average starts to curve down following the trend. So it means that over here it actually okay, let's use this for example. When it dropped here, when our moving average dropped here, it picked up in this position, it's got going up, and when you actually check up the candle right there, you can see that the market has been going up ever since then, from this point. So the same thing is going to happen here very soon, because our moving average is actually dropping too in the market, and over here we have a confirmation of our evening star right here. There's a confirmation, very good confirmation right here. So over here, this is definitely going to be a very good trade for me. So I'm going to actually put up my support and resistance real quick line. So let me come over here and select the horizontal line. So over here I'll be aiming my resistance. Okay, I think there's the last resistance right in this position, so I'm going to put it right here. So my resistance will be right here. Let me actually interpolate. There's the last one. Yep, this is a good one. So I'm going to put that, and of course I'm going to put my support too. Let me actually duplicate this. Let me go here, let me clone the color, let me take the line down. I want to actually find a very good position for my support. So I'm going to put my support level here because this is the last point here. So this is where I'm going to put it. Let me put it on this part. Let me put it from here. Right. So a good moment there, I've actually spot out my resistance and what's it called, my support level. So right now I'm going to actually take in what's it called, put in my take profit and stop loss. I actually mentioned something what's it called on the last video I did, is that always make sure that you have a confirmation with multiple time frame. It's very important. As you can see, we have this right here on 4 hours. So let's go back and check this on 3 hours. As you can see, we're still having a good trend with 3 hours, and of course even the moving average is following the trend. Let's go and check this on 1 hour. All right, as you can see, the market is still coming down. Let's check this out on 30 minutes. The market was actually trying, it's still coming down, but it's just changed what's it called, it's just changed to a green color right there. So let's go back to our 4 hours, because right now we've confirmed that for all the time the market is definitely coming down. On the trend is a very good position, but the most important thing is for you to set up your take profit and stop loss. It's very important. So let me actually grab that here. It should be a short position. So I'm put my what's it called, my take profit all the way down here, where we actually put in our support, and of course let's put our stop loss in this point. All right, a very good one here, guys. So guys, let's see how this trade is gonna play out. Okay, good one there, guys. We actually the trade actually dropped and we hit our take profit in this point. This is where we actually hit our take profit. It's actually a very short trade, but if you actually calculate these hours right from this position, the market is dropping 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's actually 8 what's it called, it's actually 8 hours. No, it's even more than 8 hours because I'm doing this on 4 hours. This is almost a day trade. All right, and I actually hit my take profit in this point, which is a very good one, guys, which is a very good one. So this is how you actually do what's it called, this is how you trade with the help of the indicator, especially with the moving average indicator. Right, we actually find a very good moment with our evening star indication here in couple with our moving average, and definitely we're going to be in a very good position because we analyze the market very well. All right, so this is how you do, guys. So I'll still be showing you some couple example. So let me keep analyzing. So when I get another good moment with the peers, I'm definitely going to take a trade. Okay, guys, I find a good moment for my morning star right here. As you can see, this is actually going up so good. So if I zoom it right here, so as you can see right here, we have our morning star. This is actually a bearish candle followed by a doji, and the next candle followed there is a bullish candle. So this is a confirmation of a morning star. And over here, this big candle right here actually break a resistance, and I know that okay, this is a very good moment. Not only that, if you actually check out our moving average, you can see that our moving average has been dropping right from this point, all right, down here, and when it gets to this particular candle here, this bullish candle in this position, you see that our moving average actually break and is trying to go up. That would actually form this particular candle here. This is a very good moment again, but before that we need to actually set up our what's it called, our support and resistance, which is very important. So let's go here, let's grab the horizontal line again. So from here I'm going to put, this is a very clear what's it called, support level. So I'm going to put it right here. This is my support level in this position. All right, this is where I actually put in my support level. So right, actually find our resistance. Okay, so our resistance actually start from this point. It's a very good one. This is 1 2. As you can see, each time the market reached this here, it bounced back. There's something happen here. So we're gonna actually put our resistance in this part. So let's grab let me duplicate this here. So let's get it duplicated, clone. So let's take this one here. So let's label this one right here as our what's it called, resistance. This is a very good part. Yeah, it's a very good one there. So this is our resistance, this is our support. So let's grab our take profit. This is actually going long, so let's put it here. So we're taking what's it called, putting our stop loss right in this position, and of course our take profit will be right here, all the way there. All right, I usually tell you that we should actually analyze. Always make sure that you what's it called, you are checking the what's it called, this with a different time frame. So let's check this out. With 3 hours, you see that it's still a very strong uptrend. Let's go and check this out with 1 hour. It's a very strong uptrend. So let's actually check this out with 30 minutes. As you can see, this is a very good one. So let's go back to 4 hours. So a good one there. So guys, let's wait and see how this trade is gonna play out. All right. Okay, a good one there. We actually hit a very good position there. We hit our take profit here, which is very good. Right from this point, the market actually dropped and we hit our take profit. This is a very good moment. This is another good what's it called, trade one. So I hope you understand right now, guys, how you can actually what's it called, get a confirmation with your moving average. It's very important that you understand. All right, so I think we'll be doing one more example so that you can actually understand all of this perfectly. Okay guys, we find another great moment. This is another great moment on this what's it called, our currency pairs. Over here, as you can see, our moving average was really dropped there, but when you get to this point, it's trying to pick up. It dropped again, and in this particular point, this particular candle actually breached up, and the moving average is trying to pick up. So right here we can see a clear picture of a morning star. Right from here, as you can see, this is a bearish candle, we have a bullish candle, and we have another short one. We have a doji candle, and we have another short one there, a little bit bigger than the previous one. Then we have a very strong uptrend on the bullish candle. This is a very good one. And when you actually check out our moving average right there, as you can see, our moving average is actually trying to head up in the market. This is a very good one. But before we actually do anything, we need to set up our what's it called, we need to indicate, we need to see our support and resistance. So let me actually grab this. So over here, I'm going to put my, I think this is where I have the last support, right? So I'm going to put it right here. Where I'm going to put it, this is it. They always bounce back here, so I'm going to put that right there. So let me actually duplicate this and find my resistance. Okay, I find it right here. This is the resistance. It usually bounce back here as well. All right, so let's put it here. This is where they usually bounce back. So we found our resistance there. Right now, let's actually take in. All right, so over here we're going to drag our take profit to this point where our resistance actually stopped, and of course the same thing is going to happen with our stop loss. But over right here, we're definitely going to check this time frame. So let's check this on 2 hours. As you can see, this is right there in uptrend. Let's check this 1 hour. This is an uptrend still, so let's check it out on 30. As you can see, this is right on uptrend. So we have a very good confirmation that this market is going up very well. So right now, let's see if there's going to be a good moment. Let's check this out. Okay, great one there, guys. I actually hit my take profit in this point. Right from here, we hit our take profit in this point. As you can see, this is a very good what's it called, indication. So like the reason why I actually use this particular moving average to show you on this one is to show you a very clear picture when the market is actually what's it called, pushing up or pushing down based on any trend alongside with the morning star, the evening star strategy. I hope this is actually clear. So guys, this is where we're going to stop on today's video. I hope you liked the video. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next upload. Like I said, we started this channel to actually take in a newbie to become a very professional trader. So let's make sure that you follow us, because we actually started this in a very, if you haven't watched already, go back and watch the first video. It's going to explain everything how we started this. I hope you like the video. Once again, like I said, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next episode. I love you guys, and I'll see you on another video.